Hello and welcome to the Loop on Location. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin Frizz, and today we're here in District 1, which is responsible for 8 counties in Northwest Ohio.
Crews here take care of 3,200 lane miles of roadway and more than 800 bridges.
Now the biggest project in District 1 is right here on I-75 in Findlay. The interchanges at US 68 and State Route 15 and Lima Avenue are being reconstructed, and an additional lane is being added in both directions. We're doing all of this work to improve the safety and efficiency of the corridor and enhancing its capacity. All the work is scheduled to be complete by August 2020.
Public involvement is a vital part of every project we do. We want to make sure the public knows what we're going to do, when we're going to do it, and how we're going to do it. The Clinton Street Bridge project here in Defiance is a perfect example of this. When we first planned this $9 million bridge replacement project, we intended only to do a portion at a time. The upside, we could maintain traffic during the project. The downside, it would take longer to complete. But after a series of meetings with community members and stakeholders, we found out their preference was for us to simply close this entire bridge and get the projects done 6 months quicker.
When you're in number 1, you're used to doing everything better, even the who knew guru. Last year in Ohio, there were over 14,000 crashes due to distracted driving. And here at ODOT, we do plenty of safety campaigns and events with local high schools to warn against the dangers of distracted driving. About a year and a half ago, our Deputy Director, Kirk Slusher, went to an event that included a pledge against distracted driving. And that is when he decided to take action.
I began to go around to all my counties, to all my work units, and I made this pledge to all of my employees. And I encouraged them to also take the pledge.
Kirk and those who have taken the pledge in District 1 refuse to take phone calls or text messages while driving. And now, ODOT as a whole is making changes statewide to ensure that our employees lead by example and never drive distracted. But we'll talk more about that in later episodes. Who knew?
District 1 has some of the best bridge conditions on the state system, and a lot of the reason why are these guys. This crew is specialized in making repairs to things like bridge decking, parapet walls, and scuffers. And because of this, they're able to tackle minor repairs before they become major repairs. In fact, some of the practices being used here are being used elsewhere in the state.
District 1 is piloting a new idea to better brand our buildings. Too many times, people tell us they didn't even realize these buildings belong to ODOT. This signage has been added to the district headquarters, roadway services, district garage, and Allen County garage. Eventually, this idea could spread to other parts of the state.
Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov and check us out on social media.
And we always love your story ideas and your feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And now, you're in the loop.